So welcome to Yerevan, Armenia. So here I am in kind of like the main square. It's actually very beautiful. All the buildings are pink. There's this, they use this volcanic stone called tuf, and it's quite, the architecture is really unique. I kind of wasn't expecting that. It's a really beautiful city. Let's go check it out. So this is Republic Square. You can see that's where the protests were kind of happening, or the meetings, we'll call them. So behind me, that is the former Hotel Armenia, now bought by the Marriott. So it's probably one of the best locations to stay at in Armenia, but yeah, you got to pay for it. But it's just really beautiful everywhere you look here in Republic Square. So we were just told the story about this arc. So in Republic Square, there's this huge arc, and we said, why is this kind of arch so big? Arch. And it's because when the Soviets designed and built this, you could see Ararat, the mountain, kind of at any point in the square. You can look through and see the arc. And then, you know, the modern world came and dollars came and they built a building and they blocked it all. So that's kind of disappointing to hear. But the architecture is super cool. Okay, so you can see how unique the stone is. Just really beautiful. This is just outside of Republic Square, so it's really nice. Here's a market in Yerevan called Vernissage, and it's kind of like, it started as like an arts market originally, kind of in the 1980s. But now let's go have a look to see all the things that people are selling, and it's kind of a great place to pick up some well, knickknacks and have a look at the culture. There you go, there's all sorts of stuff here. And it goes all the way down. Okay, so if you're a Soviet film fan, here's a restaurant called Kavkazskaya Pizza. So here you go. These are the three characters from the movie. Okay, this is an Armenian pizza. That's what we've ordered.
Lahmajoun.
It's
Lahmajoun.
Lahmajoun. Okay, just when you're ready to pick it up, it's actually two.
And then you roll
so
it
you
up.
get two, and then, oh, you roll it up. This is the best thing I've seen.
Lavash.
Lavash. Yeah. This is just, I guess, a typical neighborhood in Yerevan. We're just in the city. And so then you can see there's like a football field. Okay, so you have these water fountains all over the city that you can just drink because it gets really, really hot here. That's a modern contemporary art gallery built by the Soviets, probably Soviet modernism. Okay, вот в Ереване Arno Babajanian. Вот, Arno Babajanian. Famous cat, and this is by Fernando Otero. Okay, so that's a wrap for Yerevan. I really enjoyed it. It's kind of like they're the Italians of this region. Vibrant, full of life, emotional. They like wine. They have outdoor cafes. It's a really kind of cool city to visit. So I really definitely enjoyed my time here in Yerevan.